When these guys were on their way out, they left behind something we still use today. Words. Here's some words we adopted from the Italian language versus the actual Tigrinya word. Piatto, piatti, shahani, mela, mele, tuffah, sedia, sedia, member, finestra, finestra, mescot, luce, luci, mebrahti, ponte, binto, dildil, rosa, rosa, ጽጌረዳዊ, sol, sendi, ገንዘብ